So first thing first, you have to sign in on your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And after that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and also the NFL Red Zone with Sports Plus bundle. Don't forget to ensure both of the plan is still active because you cannot watch outside network without having YouTube TV base plan and also NFL Red Zone plan in the first place. So from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And then you want to search for NFL Red Zone bundle. Right here, just click on it one time. And as you can see, if you want to buy the NFL Red Zone bundle, you must have the YouTube TV base plan first. So you have to purchase both of the plans at once. But if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, you are eligible to purchase just the NFL Red Zone package. But either way, just click on next and complete the purchase with debit card, credit card, or even your PayPal. And after you buy the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for outside. Right here on outside network, you want to click on it. And then you want to scroll down and you can see the live session of the outside or even the series from outside network on demand. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.